Howdy! Today we'll be going over Mentor Training Part 1, Enrollment and Navigation. First, we'll go over to how to sign up and re-engage with the platform, reset your password, go over your profile, and look at platform resources. So let's get started. First, you will receive an email very similar to this one from noreply@cronus.com. Go to the body of the email, click the link, and begin the process of signing up. If you're a new user, the system will simply ask you to create a new password. But if you're a returning user and you've forgotten your password, you can simply go onto the login screen, click the email button, and then below click the forgotten password link, and then follow the steps to create a new password. If you're a new user in the system will automatically take you to your profile. Make sure you fill out all of the questions and click the Save or Submit button to save your information. If you're a returning user, on your homepage, in the right side of your screen, there will be an Edit Profile button. This will allow you to edit your profile. Make sure to upload a picture, that way new mentees can see your welcoming face. Just be sure to click the Save button after each section. The Help Resource section is a great place to look for helpful tips on how to be a mentor. You can access these resources either on your left-hand navigation bar or right on your homepage. Click on any of the titles to access the content. You can tell the platform whether you found the content helpful or not. This will help us improve your experience, or ask us a question by clicking in the bottom right button. And that's it. You've successfully learned about the sign-up process, how to reset your password, how to edit your profile, and helpful resources. See you in our next video.